I was. I was with the Department of Space for long years, 20 years. Now, another 6 more days to finish my 11 years of social service. Full time into education, teaching, getting to youth, making them to aspire high, inspiring them to achieve whatever they look for, guide them. So I'm more a life mentor now, and I've got lot of students keep asking technical subjects. If they have doubt in physics, mathematics, English, they come to me. So I teach them from young children to elderly people. I teach teachers, students. I believe that teachers are the one who really serve the nation because they can make others whatever they want. So I adore teachers, and
Okay.
I couldn't become professionally a teacher, but I thought that will be my social activity. I only reflect. So it's you to decide. It is you to decide whether it is a scolding or patting or chatting or praising. That's you. It's in your mind, not in my mind. I write poems. Yeah, I write poems. All my works are on life, life, life. So that's one book which I wrote. Another book is Life of Love. You can see these also have life. And another book is, I don't know whether this is also on life. So Rahina Sher can give me a number between maybe 10 to 180 or 12 to 180. So this book is like, open the page, read something, you get some message. Actually 179 is I don't have a preface for the book. I only have reflections of great people who read this book. So 179 says, author requesting me to pen those words of introduction. I feel an introduction is redundant because it will speak directly to the reader. So you believe more in directly talking to people than doing anything. The book is such, you can open any page and read. Some reflections about the person sitting in front of you will be coming in this book. Book is what I have written from all the discussions between me and my students on. You have Orkut, which was previously like Facebook.
Again.
This is a book written from discussions on Orkut. Orkut is like Facebook. It was a social media maybe 15 years back. So I started my social media discussion with the students, and then whatever I discussed I wrote in this book. 2005 I wrote this book 15 years back. What I do is every Saturday I have got a group of people from different parts of the world. They will come and teach other people who are joining, to teach my language song to the other people. So others from Argentina, Brazil, Japan, Indonesia, from different languages from India, they will come and teach their music to us. So I have got every Saturday group of people joining from different parts of the world. They learn and teach music. So that is one method of interacting with the people with some purpose. and that will help them to understand the musics of the world. So we have people who taught Japanese, Hebrew, Arabic, Urdu, Indian languages, different languages. So we understand different language. Oh, this is how the music goes. One, every Sunday evening 7:30 I teach Bhagavad Gita from, Bhagavad Gita is one of the oldest text from India, where lot of questions are asked by a student, the answer is given by God Krishna. That's a beautiful book which I teach, and every Sunday I teach this Bhagavad Gita. This I almost 3 times I taught. 2 times in US, once in online, and now online I am teaching with the people who are joining from different parts of the world every Sunday. And for last 600 days, almost 2 years, I must have had more than 1,000 YouTubes posted on different topics. I have seen your beautiful interviews, interacting with a lot of great people, right? I am a mathematician. Basically, my subject is mathematics. And then I was also director for Academic Staff College. Academic Staff College is teaching all the senior teachers in the country. We have an institute and I was director for that institute. But character is not a behavior. Character is what you are. Behavior is what you adjust with the time and people, right? So nobody knows your character, nobody knows my character. So astrology is character. How does it matter what character I have? I should be good in behaving with the people. So you know how to polish it. You know how to make it better. So astrology doesn't matter. It matters to people who don't know how to polish it. So, I will do some pathology. I will ask some questions. Do you have this character? Do you have this? Do you have this? All these checks. If you say perfect, your time is perfect. First, I have to test. Doctor cannot treat people without a diagnosis. So, first I do a diagnosis based on your blood has to be given, your hand has to be checked with pulse. Then only doctor can suggest. So, my minimum requirement is time and place of birth. Then I will tell you these are what you should have. If it is not there, there is some problem. Then I will iterate and make your time and place. That also is done sometimes. Scientifically I do that. I learned it. I learned it for long years. So I am not someone on the road when you have somebody, no, you have a headache, take this tablet. No, I will not do that sort of a treatment. I am an academician, so we should do it very carefully. And I don't do it commercially. Not even so far for any of my services, including teaching, I am not charged. It's all free. I know every bit place of Pakistan. From satellite imaging. My job is from satellite, look at the whole globe. Your airport also I know. I have seen the airport there. It has got Sargodha airport has got a cross runway. See, India and Pakistan bilateral relationship is you can never travel and come and meet Dr. TPS. Both of us can meet in Dubai because our relationship are not where people can come and stay in India, where I can come to Pakistan is not possible. Political relationship was so bad. The other day I was talking to one of the boy who was close to Lahore, no? We had a long dialogue. So he was telling we will meet. I said no, we will meet he is studying in Ukraine. I said I will come to Ukraine to meet you, but not in Pakistan. So inshallah, I will meet Rahana in some other country, but not in Pakistan. And Rahana cannot come to India to meet me also. Our problems are not going to solve. All of us want a friendly relationship, we want that. But as a country, bilateral relationship for a long time, it is not very convenient, and I don't think in next few 50 to 100 years it is not going to get solved. See, do you know India, we had one of our first education minister is Maulana Azad. You have to learn about Maulana Azad. Maulana Azad was our first education minister. Maulana Azad was president of Congress party, combined India and Pakistan in 1920. And up to 1945, Maulana Azad was very powerful, uniting all the Muslims. And he said, no, we will not have partition at all. It is only Jinnah. Jinnah as a leader was fighting for this partition. And Maulana Azad is not an Indian. He has not taken birth in Pakistan, not in India. His father is from Makkah, Saudi Arabia. His mother is from Afghanistan. Afghanistan, she shifted to Bangladesh. Got it? So it is that political structure which created this problem. I'll tell you, Rehana, in my childhood, I lost my father when I was 5 years old. But my father's closest friend was a Muslim person. And all land which my father purchased, they purchased as together. Half land is his, half land is my father. So in my childhood, I could run into his house, and he used to wear that big kurta. I can go and put the hand in his kurta, take as much money as I want, and then he used to hold my hand and say, मैं तुम्हारा बाप है क्या? आप क्यों पैसा लेके जा रहा है मेरा पॉकेट से? पता है? So our relationship with that Muslim family was so good. Not now, even today. In my program, you can see today, 2017, I was in Abu Dhabi. I was in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. You can see I dress up like a Muslim. I've got that tie. I was in the desert. In my program, when I do in my old house in Kerala, many families will come and then give free food. All of them are Muslims. Definitely all the food what I ate when my program, everything was cooked by Muslims. Got it? So we have a good relationship. Individually, I have good friends. See, every day I listen to the prayers. Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah. And the way we are chanting is different from Pakistan because locally we are different. But this is how we are. Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Jab Anna Muhammad Rasulullah. All this is by heart. Why is by heart for me? Because I hear that every day. Got it? So there is no rivalry between Muslims and Hindus. There is only rivalry between one country to another country because there are few people creating problems. And I don't think that will easily go because some other country like America is. See, I told you, Sargodha Airport is a cross. Generally, airstrip is only 2 lines parallel. Very rarely you see airport like this. 2 lines crossing each other. One runway like this, one runway like that. It's by heart for me. So, don't worry. World is too large. On Saturday, we have a meet with African people. I want you have students, you have youth people. We can always interact on internet. Whatever subject they want to study maths, they want to study physics, they want to know about space, they want to know about Google Map, they want to know about different things. Collect a group and then I can talk to them, I can teach them as many hours as you want. This is a book which I see all the people who wanted to become administrative people in India have to write this civil service examination, IAS, IPS, IFS. So I teach children history. We have to learn history. And it is very simple to learn history. So geography, history, these two things are must. I know Karachi, I know Islamabad. You give me the map of Islamabad, I'll tell you a straight road southward, north to south. That's how the Islamabad. And there is a cross on the top. Every at your age, I don't know anything. So it's a life experience. Life experience, talking to people, understanding, learning. I will send you, but I'm not on message. I may not, very rarely I keep. You send a WhatsApp to me, you will be on my WhatsApp contact. I will only send a broadcast. I don't add you in any group. So you can join in my talk, you can understand what I speak. I'm sure there are a lot of things which we can share. I also had the blessings of talking to different people, learning different things. I learned most of the Sufi meditation, which is from Afghanistan-Pakistan border. The nice dance and then rotate yourself and then become totally into that trance and then lie down. Sufi meditation is one of the best meditations which I enjoy. And there are a lot of beautiful proverbs from Pakistan. Urdu language is so rich. Urdu language is so rich. Most of the Hindustani music has got Urdu origin. I'm sure Rahana will sing, right? 2 lines of song, appreciating that is something which all of us can do. And understand the meaning inside, because I am a poet. When I write poetry, I understand the meaning. When I understand the meaning, it talks about lot of history, lot of different feelings. One of the best method to learn, that's why I am able to quote different slokas, verses. If I learn verses, slokas, brain will become much more sharper. Dr. TPS, that is simple. Dr. TPS, that's simple. SASI, Sasi Kumar. Yeah. In North India, the spelling is SHI. In South India, we name it as SASI. Because Shah doesn't have an English word. Shah cannot be pronounced in English. Either Shah or Sa. How do you, which spelling will put you in for Shah? SHA is Shah, where your name is Sher. Sher cannot be written. Sher cannot be written. Sher or Ser. So my parents opted, or my elders opted as SASI. In North India, SHA, SHI. Both names are same. Pronunciation in Indian language is Shashi. Shashi, not Sasi. Not Shashi also. It is Sasi. No Shashi. Shashi. That's because English is a handicapped language. English is a handicapped language. Not everything can be written in English. Not every word has meaning in English also. What do you call the mother's love to the child in Urdu? क्योंकि English में अलग अलग words नहीं है. English is a poor language. Urdu is a rich language. Same love you can translate in different context. So don't say English is a very high language. English has got less number of words. That is why we are able to learn it faster. So मुहब्बत अलग है, प्यार अलग है. इंग्लिश में एक ही वर्ड है, लव. वो दूसरा वर्ड नहीं है उधर, सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं मिलेगा. So which language is rich?